Are you tired of hearing about AI everywhere but have no idea how to actually make it work for you? Well, in this explainer, we are cutting straight through all the hype. I'm going to show you 5 super practical ways you can build a real AI business right from your home. And these aren't just pie-in-the-sky ideas. These are proven methods people are using right now.
So this is the big question, right? How do you really make money with all this stuff? I mean, with new AI tools popping up constantly, the opportunities today look nothing like they did even 6 months ago. So let's forget the noise. We're going to get into real actionable answers.
And you know what the best part is? These methods aren't just practical and tested. They're accessible. You do not need to be a coder or some tech genius to start building your AI business, like today.
All right, first step is my personal favorite for anyone who's just starting out. We're going to call it the AI Tools Audit. Seriously, if you're not a technical person, this is your perfect way in.
This right here nails the exact problem that you're going to solve. Small business owners are just getting slammed with AI headlines. They know they need to adapt, but they are totally paralyzed by the thousands of tools out there. You get to be the one who cuts through all that noise and gives them the clarity they are desperate for.
And here's the key. This process is so simple. You're not building anything, you're not coding anything. You just listen to a business owner's problems, like maybe they're spending way too much time on invoicing. Then you go to a free database, find the perfect AI tools to fix that, package it up, and that's it. You are literally selling them clarity.
And the speed here is just incredible. People are landing their first client in about a week. You can start off charging, say, $200 to $500 for one of these audits, and then scale that up into the thousands once you get some experience.
Okay, let's move on to our second method. This one's for all the visual thinkers out there, the Instant Website Flipper. This is all about creating this incredible transformation that just sells itself.
We have all seen this, right? The local plumber or the dentist whose website looks like it's stuck in 2005. They know it's a problem, but in their mind, fixing it costs like 10 grand and takes 3 months with some fancy web design agency. That's exactly where you step in. Now, this process is so powerful because you do the work before you even talk to them. You find an old site, use a tool to grab all its information, and then let AI generate this beautiful new version in just minutes. Then you just walk into their office and show them their brand new website. The visual just does all the talking. And the income potential here is just huge. You can start by selling these for $500, then pretty quickly move up to $1,000 or $2,000. Sell just 2 or 3 of these a week and you're already at $10,000 a month. Plus, it's the perfect foot in the door to sell other AI services. All right, method number 3, the AI Creative Studio. This is where things get really fun because you're tapping into this massive demand for visual content. I mean, think about it. Brands need a constant stream of product photos, social media ads, video clips, and that used to mean hiring a whole crew with cameras, actors, the whole shebang. It cost a fortune. Now, one person with a laptop and the right AI prompts can do everything. You can become a one-person creative agency.
So here's a sample offer you could put together. You go to a small business and you pitch them an on-demand creative studio on a monthly retainer. For, say, $2,000 a month, you can deliver all the images and videos they need. We're talking product photos, social ads, even those authentic-looking user-generated style clips. Master a tool like InVideo, and with just a few clients, you're golden.
Okay, moving on to method number 4. This one solves a problem that pretty much every single local business deals with: losing customers because they can't answer the phone.
We've all been there, haven't we? You call a business with a quick question. You get put on hold or it just rings and rings. So what do? You hang up and you call their competitor. Every single one of those missed calls is lost money. And you can build the solution to that.
And just like with the website flipping, the key is to show, not tell. You can use a platform like 11 Labs to build a working demo in, I'm not kidding, like 2 minutes. You just give the AI a voice, you feed it info from their website, and then you walk in and let the business owner talk to their very own AI receptionist. It's an instant sale.
This model is so lucrative, you can charge thousands of dollars just for the initial setup. But the real money? That's in the recurring revenue, charging hundreds or even thousands more every single month to manage and keep improving the system for them.
Okay, our final method. Now, this one might sound a little basic, but trust me, do not sleep on this. This is all about using your knowledge to teach businesses how to actually use the powerful AI tools they're already paying for.
So here's the deal. Big companies are spending a fortune on tools like ChatGPT and Claude, right? But their employees are barely scratching the surface, just using them to write simple emails. It's a massive waste of potential, and these businesses are desperate for someone to come in and unlock it.
So the strategy here is brilliant. You start by offering a free workshop in exchange for a testimonial. That's your Trojan horse. You go in, you teach the basics, and then you just blow their minds by taking one of their real, boring, repetitive tasks and showing them how to automate it right there on the spot.
And the potential here is insane. That free workshop is your ticket in. One person actually made over $400,000 with this exact model. And get this, a staggering 70% of the companies he offers a free workshop to end up hiring him for bigger paid projects.
So let's just do a super quick recap. You've got the AI Tools Audit, which is perfect for beginners, the Website Flipper for visual people, the Creative Studio for creatives, the AI Phone Line for solution sellers, and the Corporate Trainer for anyone who's a good communicator. Just take a second and see which one of those kind of clicks with you.
But look, if I had to recommend just one place for most people to start, it would absolutely be the AI Tools Audit. Like we said, you don't need any tech skills to get started, and the demand from confused business owners is just completely off the charts right now.
So that really just leaves one final question. We've looked at 5 proven paths, from creating clarity with audits to teaching corporate teams. The opportunity is sitting right there. The only question left is, which one are you going to build first?